In the vast landscape of social media, Instagram stands out as a vibrant tapestry of curated lives, where followers and following create intricate webs of connection. Yet, within this digital realm, the question of privacy looms large, particularly concerning who we choose to follow. Can you truly hide who you follow on Instagram? The answer, while layered, leans toward the affirmative, albeit with some caveats. Instagram operates on a foundation of transparency. By default, anyone can see who you follow unless your account is set to private. This means that your followers can easily scroll through your list and glean insights into your interests, affiliations, and even your friendships. However, the option to switch to a private account offers a veil of discretion. When your account is private, only those you approve can see your followers and the accounts you follow. This simple toggle can transform your Instagram experience, allowing you to curate your audience while keeping your connections more intimate. Yet, privacy on Instagram is not merely about account settings. It also involves the choices we make regarding who we follow. If you're concerned about certain individuals scrutinizing your interests, you might consider following accounts that align with your public persona or interests that you're comfortable sharing. Alternatively, creating a secondary account, perhaps under a pseudonym, can serve as a sanctuary for more personal follows, enabling you to explore niche interests without the watchful eyes of acquaintances. Ultimately, the implications of hiding who you follow extend beyond mere visibility. They touch on the essence of authenticity in a world where social media often blurs the lines between reality and performance. In navigating this delicate balance, the freedom to choose who sees your digital affiliations is a powerful tool, allowing for self-expression while safeguarding the sanctity of personal connections.